Your Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL screen is not responding to touch. So you're swiping, it's not working, the buttons aren't working either. So the simple fix is this. We're going to locate the power button and volume up. We want to press and hold these two buttons down for 10 to 15 seconds, then we will release the buttons. We will then press and hold power button until we see the Google logo. So let's do this one together. I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down. Do not release. If your phone's frozen, don't worry, you won't see anything show up. We'll keep on holding. So I'll start counting now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now release power and volume up, and then just press and hold the power button until we see the Google logo. The timing of this is not very tight. Just make sure you press and hold power and volume up for a long time. And so we'll just give it a couple of seconds until we see that Google logo. And so we see the Google logo here. Release from the buttons, your phone will turn on. The problem was a software glitch. This may happen every now and again. Just check for a software update. A software update will permanently fix this problem.